Hey guys, welcome back to Soleil's Array. It is Desi, and today we're going to talk about what I got from Ulta. Yes, I took advantage of their 21 days of Ulta sale and grabbed the things that I desperately needed. There were so many great deals that I came across and I thought it would be really dope. And there were some things I needed, there's some things I needed. But I did need them. So I wanted to try them on for the first time on camera and just share what I think about them. I just wanted to give my first thoughts on them and see if it was worth the investment. Either way, I feel like the products that I came across are reputable brands, but I just want to see if they work with what I got going on. So that's what we'll be doing. So far, I just have foundation with some primer. I have no under eye concealer, little bit of contour, and some lip gloss because I want to try some of the products that I bought on camera. So I actually had the chance to get a few things. The under eye brightening corrector cream, and I got it in the shade of medium. So I am going to start off with that, and I'm going to put it under my eyelids and maybe some of the red spots. I know it says brightening eye corrector, but I'm gonna put it where I want it. This is the consistency. I use this because it was like my go-to thing for work, just because I usually put mascara and some of this in my eyebrows on before I go to work, and I liked it. It's quick, whatever. The consistency is fairly thin, so I would say this is the first thing I did try. So I am just going to use a flat concealer brush or a flat brush and just pat it under my eyes. I'm just going to get a little bit of this on my brush and place it under my eyes. So I'm just going to place it under my dark circles because it's a brightening cream or corrector, so we'll see. I like to also put it under my eyebrows. One, because I haven't plucked them. Two, yeah, this whole section is getting a little bit of this, so I'm just adding it on. So now I'm going to use, I don't know what to call this brush. It's like one of these. It's probably used for shadow, but it's a narrow, like compact, fluffy brush. So I'm just going to like get in there and just press it into my skin and just kind of move it around a little bit. It has a sticky consistency. It's not as like creamy, so I like that because it makes me feel like it won't move, but it does come off sheer a little bit. I don't know, but it's brightening. So I'm just spreading it out, and it's kind of warmed into my skin and a little bright. So what I like to do now is use this type of brush. It's kind of pointy. I kind of use this anyway when I have powder, but I'm just kind of pushing it again into my eyes, and it's like I look awake. So I like it. I think the next thing we can try is the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes Complexion Inspired Eyeshadow Palette. But this is what they look like. They're really gorgeous for the fall. I'll give a better close-up, but beautiful for the fall. Some nudes, some shimmery shades. I'm hype. Ooh, this mirror is nice. I'm gonna start off with my fluffy brush. I usually do this for the whole entire lid. I'm gonna use the shade Maple right here. We're gonna use Maple and just cover the whole lid. I love the pigment of the color. Look how much it picked up on the brush. I barely tapped it. I was giving King James with the shade Maple. Just going on all over the lid. I like to use this brush when I just want to get a lot of shadow on quick. So I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. We love a fluffy brush. So I'm gonna just smooth out the edges and soften the edges. Also, another product I want to talk about that I got from Ulta are these nails. If you've seen my last beauty maintenance vlog with the what is it, Diva, what is it called, Dashing Diva, like semi-cured sticker gel nails, I had these on for 2 weeks. They're literally at the point where they're starting to lift, but like had no issues. And I love them, and I've been telling everyone that they should try them out. So anyway, I kind of buffed that out. I like that. That maple color looks good. It looked intense, but I'm trying to think what next shade. So I like the maple. I love the pigments. They pick up really well. They spread well. I didn't really have like a legit like eyeshadow primer. I really think that the colors would be more vibrant if I had one. I may go in now with a little bit of the truffle brown. So anyway, we're gonna go in with the truffle in the corner and just kind of, I'm gonna close my eye a little bit, but set it in the corner. Pull it out a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And just place it in that corner on my lid. Okay, now I've brought it up. So now I gotta do the same thing on the other side. Put some in the crease. I'm okay with this. I'm okay. We're gonna soften it up again with the fluffy brush. I'm gonna just do a little wipe. And I'm going to keep it in the area that I have. I'm not gonna move it around too much. Just kind of like in the area that I designated. And then I'm gonna just do a little sweep over to have some kind of blend action. Okay. All right, we're getting something. Symmetry. Okay, cute. Cute. I think I'm going to use the same color truffle under the lower lash, under the eye, and just kind of bring that down so it's balanced and kind of something else going on, you know? For the inner corner, we're gonna use Cocoa. Cocoa is this shade. Yep, we're gonna use that just a little bit on the inner corner to like set as a base. An angled shadow brush. I'm just gonna put it, just like push it in the corner of my eye. Whoa, is that darker than I thought? Hey! Okay, maybe that's a little darker than I anticipated. Color theory, bro. This color right here. I'm just gonna give it a good pat down because I jacked that up. I'm gonna use the rose gold because the highlighter I bought might complement. So I'm just, okay, thinking ahead. We're gonna go with the rose gold. And I'm gonna just press it in on the lash, on the lid. You probably can't tell with the light, but I love this. It's so buttery, creamy, opaque. Ooh, looks good on camera. I wonder what it looked like if I use my finger. So let's try. Yeah, I feel like the finger method is probably my best bet, but let's do it with the finger. Okay, maybe a little inner corner. I can drag down a little bit of color. Do a little corner, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. And I'm going to use the clean blending brush and just give everything a nice swoosh. Just soften it out. I am really satisfied. I don't know what it's looked like after I got these lights, but so far, I'm happy with this. Really cute, really natural, and I love the shades. Again, this is the Natural Nudes by Too Faced, Born This Way collection. Beautiful, beautiful. I ended up getting this for 26 bucks, 50% off the retail price of $52. Next item I got is the Big Ego Tarte mascara. I think I got this for $12.50. The original price is $25. But let's see how it transforms these lashes. Okay, got a good lift. It's gripping these lashes. I love that. Wow. I feel like it's really grabbing it. Wow. Big Ego is right. This is one coat on this side, nothing on this side. So since we're zoomed in, I'm gonna go back in. Let's try it again, get a little fresh application. Best believe I'm doubling up. We're going back in. We need the Ego big. Yeah. Like no primer or anything on my lashes, but I feel this wand and this product getting in there. This has like the lift. Now I'm curious to see what my other wand looks like. I really like this. I think I would use this more on a going out basis, but I don't know. Oh my gosh. The lashes are lifted. We're gonna double up and get them big as possible. So I'm just kind of pushing it on the base, just like thicken them up, and then I'm just kind of going to the tips and just like fanning them out. Oh, there they go. I am satisfied. Let your lashes be full of themselves. Honey, we are full of it. Flake-free 16-hour wear. Twisted bristles for max pigment. It's definitely doing it. Booster brush. I can feel it. Okay, science. Give this a 10 out of 10. Like, I'm not even fronting. Like, so far we have the beautiful Brightening Under Eye Corrector by Smashbox and Becca in the shade medium. We have the Natural Nudes palette on the eyes, and we're loving it. And now we have added the Big Ego Tarte Full of It Booster Brush Mascara. Next, we're going to try out Fenty's the Kilowatt highlighter, and I got in the shade Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. So it's a duo compact. It's a beautiful case. Trust me, I looked, but I did not touch. It is a beautiful compact. It has this iridescent pearly finish with like purple hues in it. Kind of on brand with the Fenty. Oh my God. Let's take a look. Oh, I love a compact mirror. Take this on the go, but as you see, these are like peachy pink tones. They had a whole bunch of shades. I don't know, I've been in this peachy pink and these pinks, these rosies shades. So I think since it's duo, let's do some swatches. Girl Next Door. Oh, silky. Hold on. Silky. Okay, and this side is Chic Freak. It's like orangey, more like a bronzy color. Can you see that? Maybe I get off the camera. Okay, looking at my face, I think I'm gonna use Chic Freak because it has the more orangey and it'll probably pull in my shadow. All right, so we're going in with Chic Freak on the side, and I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. You can kind of see it, and I'm just gonna add it where I usually add it, on my cheekbones. Yeah, oh, that might be a lot. Do the same side. Just kind of back here. That's okay, it's giving the glow. The tip of my nose. The color's there. I like the idea that I can have two shades for the price of one. Speaking of price, I got this on sale for 20 bucks. Regular retail is $40. I don't know if that's any difference because I have two different shades, but I scored this for 20. So we're just going in back with the Chic Freak shade and just putting it on my cheekbones, tip of my nose. I don't even know where people, I could do a little bit under here. There's a little bit on the tail end of my brows, just to give it some dimension. I am glowing. We're glowing, honey. I think the last thing we could do, one of the last things we can do, is set it off with the Fix It Stay Over MAC long lasting setting spray. So we have this, how much did I pay for this? $17.50. Oh, it smells good. Wow, that's really pleasant. Oh, I want to sneeze. This stuff makes me sneeze. I love that. Very lightweight mist. It's not like a spray. It's a misting mechanism. And I'm not a big fan of fragrance stuff because my skin can be sensitive. But I felt luxurious. That felt really nice. I scored another deal. It's a surprise Coach purchase of the 21 days of Ulta sale. I ended up getting the Coach Dream Sunset scent in this beautiful bottle. Look at this. Cute. We love a beautiful bottle. It has like this leather detail and it's a floral top. And you don't take this off, you actually use it. It's like a spray. So let's spray. Ah, not in your face, Des. I'm gonna sneeze. Mayday. All right, so I just had a sneeze attack because that's what happens with all my perfumes. But I don't even know what I was saying. I was choking. Beautiful bottle. This has like these warm, musky, floral notes. And I think there may be some pear. I don't know. And I scored this size. It's a 1.7 milliliter bottle, or 1.3. It was on sale for $32.50, but I got 50% off the retail total price of $72. And altogether for my Ulta haul, I spent under $150 for premium product, full-size products. Like, that's a deal. Without the perfume, I spent $105-ish altogether. I was able to invest in some product. That was super fun. I really enjoyed doing this, playing in the makeup that I tell myself I need to have and use because I have to have it and I buy it and I don't use it. This was fun. I'm definitely gonna use this. Like, I love her. She's my new best friend. So I'm going to pack and get ready. I fly out 6 in the morning. So I'm just gonna finish strong. I'm glad I was able to do this after a work day. It's Friday, woo! And play with more makeup. I may be back doing more makeup, playing in makeup, because why not?